Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of mudras and their connection to meditation. Mudras are hand positions used in yoga and meditation to enhance physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. If you're wondering what in the world is a mudra, don't worry, we've got you covered. In Sanskrit, mudra means seal or gesture, and these are symbolic hand positions that have been used for thousands of years in yoga, meditation, and various spiritual practices. By forming these specific hand positions, you can direct your energy flow and focus your mind to achieve specific goals or intentions. But before we go on, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. So, without further ado, let's explore 11 powerful mudras that you can incorporate into your daily meditation practice. First up is the Gyan mudra, also known as the mudra of knowledge. This mudra is said to stimulate the air element in the body, promote mental clarity, and enhance memory and concentration. Bring the tip of your index finger to touch the tip of your thumb while holding your other 3 fingers straight. Associated elements, air and space. 2. Abhaya mudra. Abhaya mudra is known to dispel fear and negative forces while bringing a feeling of peace and reassurance to the practitioner. It makes you feel calm, balanced, and secure to overcome fear. Bring your right hand up to shoulder height and face your palm outward in front of you. Keep your thumb touching the edge of your hand and allow your fingers to subtly relax as you stop fear and wave hello to courage. Associated elements, all. 3. Vayu mudra. In Sanskrit, Vayu means air. This yogic hand gesture helps to regulate the air element in the body. It is one of the most simple mudras to perform and is thought to help with a range of conditions, like calming stress and anxiety. Tuck the tip of your index finger at the base of your thumb and keep all other fingers straight. Associated elements, air. 4. Apana mudra. The Apana mudra is all about detoxification. Apana means downward moving force, thus this mudra is linked to flushing out toxins through the excretive and digestive systems. It is thought to strengthen the heart, balance the doshas, and improve flow of sweat, urine, and stool. Using both your right and left hand, fold your middle and ring finger down while keeping the index fingers pointing upwards. Then, fold the tip of your thumb to touch the tips of your middle and ring finger. Associated elements, space and earth. 5. Manidhara mudra. This prayer-like position actually leaves the palms open in the center as if holding a jewel. Often seen in depictions of the Buddha, the Manidhara mudra is believed to represent a fulfillment of wishes or the abundance of the Buddha's compassion. Bring together the right and left hand at the center of the chest. Keep the hands remain arched so that there is space between the palms and fingers. Associated elements, all. 6. Vitarka mudra. The Vitarka mudra helps transmit the core purpose of important teachings, specifically those of the Buddha or a spiritual guru. This mudra can help you be more receptive to learning and personal growth. First, touch the tip of your right index finger to your thumb and create a circle. Next, raise the right hand to your heart chakra and face your hand outwards. Keep the left hand resting with the palm facing up and fingers pointed downwards. Associated elements, fire and air. 7. Varada mudra. When you are seeking a granting of wishes or trying to be more generous with your time or money, the Varada mudra evokes charity and compassion. This gesture helps spread kindness and good vibes. It looks like an open resting hand at the sacral chakra. Rest your left hand on your left knee with your palm facing upwards and fingers straight. You can use your right hand to create another mudra or just leave it facing up in your lap. Associated elements, all. 8. Prana mudra. Prana is the vital life force that flows through all living things. The Prana mudra aims to open up channels of energy and is especially useful for energizing you in the morning. Touch the tips of your ring fingers and pinky fingers to your thumb tip. The index and middle fingers stay straight and touching. Associated elements, fire, earth, and water. 9. Buddhi mudra. In Sanskrit, Buddhi means intellect or perception, signifying the seal of improved mental clarity. This mudra aims to balance the water element in your body and promote fluid thoughts and higher spiritual faculties during meditation. Bring the pinky finger to touch the tip of your thumb. Leave your index, middle, and ring fingers extended. Use a light pressure to finish the seal. Associated elements, water. 10. Namaskara or Anjali mudra. Commonly known as Namaste hands or Namaskar, the Anjali Mudra is universally recognized as a symbol of yoga. It translates to salutation and is used as a common greeting and also promotes a mutual respect for others. Bring your palms together at heart center with the edges of the pinky fingers and thumbs touching each other. Associated elements, all. 11. Dhyana Mudra. Of all the hand positions we've covered, this one is arguably the most powerful and recognizable. The hands coming together in your lap at the base of the sacral chakra symbolizes a cleansing and grounding to awaken your consciousness. The left hand signifies Dharma and the right signifies community. When these come together with the thumbs touching up above, it creates a triangle that points upward to pay respects to Buddha's life of charity and love. Bring the right hand cradled inside the left hand with palms facing upwards. Bring the left thumb to touch the right and form a triangle. Focus on removing all thoughts from the mind and breathing steadily. Associated elements, air. So there you have it. Mudras are ancient meditation hand positions that can help uplevel your yoga or spiritual practice. They evoke sensory powers that activate specific energy channels in your body. Depending on the mudra you choose, you may be able to use it in combination with meditative practices to reinforce specific healing states. But remember, mudras are sacred yoga symbols that should be used respectfully.